showed up. He brought the little trailer. Well, welcome back to the channel, everybody. It is mid-afternoon. Had to be gone all morning for work, so a little bit late start for the day. However, I did get my tire fixed. Now, we caught a flat on yesterday. Yesterday was a holiday. It's Memorial Day, so I got it fixed. We're about to put it back on the tractor, and then I got to then I'll have to check hydraulic line on the white case, then hopefully get to go pick hay up or start that. So we're gonna get at her. It wasn't Memorial Day, Labor Day. It was Labor Day. Got that on there. Got back from my parts run. So what I found out is this is the end that's leaking. If you wiggle it, boom, it's broke. That is why it's been leaking. So I tried to get a compression fitting just to splice this, make it work, but where I went didn't have one. So right now I'm gonna go move hay, or start moving hay, and then in the morning I'll make a run to town to a different store, and I'm going to probably have them make me a hydraulic line splice into this line, because this end is actually a hydraulic coupler. It's not a compression end. So I'll either have them make it up to the bend, either make a little short one like this, or make one that goes past the bend. Probably right about here is what I'm thinking. But we'll do that in the morning, get it put back on, and get that tractor going again. And so yeah, that's that. So now it's time to go take the bucket off the 2955. Still got the bucket on it. We're gonna take the bucket off, get the hay spear, and put the trailer hay spear on too. That way I can move more hay at once. Gonna go get that, and we'll catch back up with you then. All right, everybody. We got the spear on the tractor. We got both spears on. We got the trailer, and we are over at the first place we baled hay at. I'm about to start loading the load out. So I'm doing this by myself right now until my brother shows up. He should be here. When he's off work, he should be here in probably 30, 45 minutes. With the other trailer to give me a hand. We're trying to get all this hay picked up before harvest starts, or before corn harvest starts. It is right around the corner on us. Everything's getting dried down real fast. It's looking good. So we want to get the hay done that way. Once we get into corn, we can stay in corn. So as you can see, my brother showed up. He brought the little trailer. This is the trailer that I use as a water trailer. Well, it's my trailer. But I use it as the water wagon most of the year. back over where we're gonna store the hay at. This hay is gonna be stored outside. About to see parking some leaves.
I got a half of a block, so I don't bring a half a block forward.
You got any 2x6s?
Yeah, I think I got 2x6s.
Grab like 4 of them, 5 of them. We can just nail it to my board I got right now, make it taller.
Okay, I'll bring my drill over so that we can go together.
Alright folks, we're going to call it for the day. We've got a good start on moving hay. It's already got kind of late. I got to go back to the office and catch up on some computer work. So, until next time, y'all have a blessed day, and I'll catch you on the flip side.